Hey everybody. All right, so had an awesome opportunity of won a gaming PC from Neptune. Thanks man, appreciate it. And I'm going to open it now just so you guys can see my first reaction and what it looks like and everything. So let's do this. All right, get it open, and it just arrived today. So pretty excited about that. And it's another box. All right, well this one might be a little bit more hard to get out. I'm just gonna rip open the box. There we go. Because it is another box. And
oh, there it is.
You see the Alienware on there, pretty exciting. All right, so let's open up this Alienware box.
And then it's another box.
All right, so first part is got this Dell top part. All right, so just comes with a little basic mouse, some cords, and looks like a
Keyboard.
basic keyboard. Yep, so nothing fancy in that aspect. That just comes with their stuff. Ooh, here's where it gets exciting. All right, gonna have to finagle this out of here. Ooh. Looks good. All right. Gets its foam stuff packaging off of there. And there it is. Ah, the glorious Alienware. So, and it's gonna, you know, be all lit up and everything once we get it plugged in, but how amazing is that? That is, oh my goodness. I'm gonna put probably too many hours on this thing. So super excited. Probably just take some basic pictures too, but wanted to give you guys the unboxing experience. So there you go. And you know what? People say they never win anything, but look, I just won a gaming PC. You know why? Because you can never win if you don't enter into anything. And I probably enter into too many things. So, but this is a result of trying a little too hard. So thanks so much guys. This is amazing. Love it. And I look forward to gaming on it. All right, that's it for me